तो भिडियो एकदमै लामो छ. नो इन्ट्रो, EMF भर्सेस काजीकुन. लेट्स गो.
Finally, I got a gift for Kazekun. That's finally.
थैंक यू सो मच. इतना दूर से मुंबई से ला दिए.
Let's go.
Thank you so much.
Hey, who's gonna call?
Okay.
You're gonna call?
Heads.
All right, this is heads and this is tails, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Oh, it's heads. All right.
Kazekun!
Let's go.
ध्यान से सुन. I'm an artist and you're an artist too. We got the same name if you understand the two. You got a different flavor that you prove. What I did for the scene, they can't improve. Basically, you're meat on a plate and I'm the grandmaster. We are Mithun. Hey. Your level is so bad.
Turn up the volume.
Actually, your level is something you don't have. You just have 4 more rhymes in your notepad, and they're not even dope, man. He said some shit like, "Ghutne dukte." He said it. "Muh mein thooke." Okay. Then he said it. "Boob hai loose." Iske muh pe mooth hai. What came you fukke lukke? His mukke tukke. Ye hukke chuste nuste puske, bro, it's crazy. You're not lyrical, you're lazy. You're not ballin', bro, you're fakey. Why you thought of this shit, JT? If I was a rapper boxed in his own limitations like Kazekun, I would rhyme that shit with Peti.
यहाँ नि कति ऱ्यापरहरू हुन्छ जेस बाई द एक्स्ट्रा एड गरेछ. यहाँ नि कतिको हुन्छ लाइनहरू रेलेभेन्ट हुँदैन नि त, जस्ट राइमिङ गरेर हुन्छ, पन्च जान्छ, माथि केही रिलेटेड हुँदैन. सो त्यही भन्न खोजिरहेको छु काजीकुनलाई.
I would rhyme that shit with Peti, but there's something you lack. If you can't afford it, don't write. What's your special attack? Throw a rhyme? Bro, it is fine, but if you pay attention to his lines and what they say, I mean, they haven't said anything yet, they're trying. Trapped around walls he built for himself like Gully Boy. You Mr. Mime. See,
Gully Boy, walls, miming.
I know rhymes wander, but try harder. Think of something that is quite smarter. Take them to a space that time brought us, where night authors and lights doctor. Find angles, try corners. Where street stalls teach you how to dine proper, I will dish you out like a flying saucer. Your rhymes are out of the world, but alien to a frontal lobe.
Flying saucer, alien. Damn EMF.
You line by the words. You don't have enough for smoke, you underscore. You're always above the clouds. I wonder why we don't see the thunder more. But it's shocking. He told his opponents, one should have metaphor and anecdote. Without a setup, he rhymed that shit with Beti Chod.
मैले हेर्दा चाहिँ काजीकुनको तर त्यस्तो हुन्छ, रेलेभेन्सी लाइनमा धेरै आएको हुँदैन, गाह्रो हुन्छ त्यो गर्न चाहिँ.
Face it, bro, you're sick. You should mask some more. Ask the folks. Your final move is rhyming something with
डिटेल्स है यो ब्याटल. फेरि हेऱ्यो भने धेरै पन्च लाइनहरू मिस हुन्छ.
Other chod. Your final move is rhyming anything with mother chod. You love it that you don't have a father and it starts to show. But I got some more rhymes for mother chod for him that are hard to know, like Cardiff, gots to go, collarbone, I don't know. These are just the starters, bro. I got some more. I brought some in Hindi, like Adam Khor, Daman Chod. Adam Khor, Daman Chod, Jakar Bol, Sajan Ko. Bro, I even brought some in Marathi, like Jhakan Khol, Tabar Top, Lakar Tod. Hey yo, Lakar Tod, Bar Jase Athar Road, Laude Apan Kon.
EMF.
You don't feel what you write. You're not legit. I pour more heart with 99% blockages. I'm on my cocky shit. Who taught you this? Eyes are the windows to the soul. you should latch the crib. I enter any state of mind, I practiced it. I prayed to God, asked for tips. It gave me a helping hand to slap this bitch. That's round one.
One pace.
Round one.
Okay, time.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, bro. Oh.
1 second, 1 second. Hey, Kaze, 1 second. एक आपका 2 सेकंड सिर्फ लेगा. Hey, no recordings. No recordings and shit. Hey, security man, please. My brothers from APSA, ये लोगों को ध्यान दो है. नहीं, कोई recording नहीं कर सकेगा. If someone records this shit, you go out of the building. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's go, Kaze, let's go.
Yo. चलो. Ready. सबसे पहले तो सुपर से.
तोतला छ हो.
Then let's go. चलो. 1, 2, 3. Super Saiyan! Let's go. चलो. सबसे पहले तो bro. सबसे पहले तो Sarat Giposto for hooking me up these dope kicks. Do follow them. Let's go. सबसे पहले तो I'm holy like Nandi क्योंकि होंद ये ऊर्जा है. तू ना जाने इतने दूर से आया इसलिए सामने से बोलूं मैं दूर रहे. पर ऐसी बातों को दिल में ना ले. अगर ले रहे हो तो दूर जा. अगर कर पा रहे हो तो भूल जा. I'm holy shit पर ये holy cow क्योंकि बाय है गोमूत्र. Sorry I'm holy cow ये है holy shit क्योंकि बाय है गोमूत्र. Sorry ये freestyle था, इसको जोड़ दो. शुरू करते हैं. In this battle I can die man but I'll never fold under pressure. I'm fresher than a harvest. ये presence of mind मेरा पैसा. Present you with blessed moments you can treasure. Effortless, forever, so precious. I flow like Amrit. Sir, पे देखिए golden temple. Bars, okay. I'll call this battle destiny fulfilled. क्योंकि ये में versus Kaze, ये में versus Kaze. This was meant to be. Actually, जन्म से पहले भी. It was written in the stars. Straight bars. ये मौत galactic. God gave me science. Kendrick Lamar. Not applicable पर ये DNA shit. रुको.
एकदमै रिच हान्ने रहेछ तर उसको हल्का तोतला चाहिँ रहेछ.
रुको. Seamlessly ये बातें general है. I'm a one man army bitch. I'll father y'all inventories. बच्चे गिन ले दिन. आज इस weak pathetic dormant ass को do सब awesome ha blows bin ले दिन. Treat you like a cute lesbian. Pussy, I'm pimping long hair bitches like you belong in pink panties.
भएन यस काजीगनको भएन एकदमै बडी रिच.
Pussy, wait. Pussy, long hair bitches like you belong in pink panties. Lingerie, bra, you want stick to your body. Send your ass to the fairyland, cause man you act like a Barbie. Acting like he an open guy, but people like you are the reason that people like me thinks Baichara is retarded. You wanna wash me, right? But it better feels more like you wanna floor me down and keep me under the carpet. But fuck that, now check this magnetic field. I'm aura farming. Leave you in shock today, cause yes, I go electric when I charging. Leave you in shock today, cause yes, I go electric when I charging. Is battle come a god of war, Martian. Call me heaven sent, cause I thought I should not kill these underground rappers. But the devil said bargain. तेरा थात कि
हान्न खोजेँ भइरहेछ तर भएन यो त भएन
Then I thought I should not kill these underground rappers. But the devil said, bargain. And, oh man, he added that he would buy this industry, plant a picture of the garden. Listen, in this hellish world, koi baap nahi hai, only my mom. And she is my safe haven. Complete. In this hellish world, koi baap nahi hai, only my mom, and she is my safe haven. I came to pray again and again. I'm blessed to be me, myself, and I. Isliye, tell your demons to behave when they say amen. Fuck Satan, ye level up hai. I see you're dancing with the devil by to help us stuck there. I see you're dancing with the devil by to help us stuck there. तेरे अंदर के material lust, greed, gluttony, pride को बता दे कि heaven सच है. Wait. और ये जो तेरा अंदर का हैमर है, वो ढोंग है. और ये जो तेरा अंदर का हैमर है, वो ढोंग है. Masculinity, ho? You got your nails done. How re? Wait. Masculinity, ho? You got your nails done. How re? Now me, I'll illegally domesticate this bitch like I'm dowry. You rowdy too. Auntie. You rowdy too. Auntie. You look so feminine. You would have looked better in saris. Ruko, you look so feminine. You would have looked better in saris. Jhumki, payal, kangan, mangal sutra, sadi. रुको फिर से
ठीक है
auntie wait auntie you look so feminine you would have looked better in saris kata mo na doa झुमकी पायल कंगन मंगलसूत्र शादी पर नहीं ये काम वाली नारी को चाहिए कामा सूत्र पैसा और पार्टी Wait, आराम से देखो भाई जंगली अरुणाचली state of mind lyrically rap your mind a lyrical shit like I'm pedophile creep walk under your bloodstream lyrically rap your mind a lyrical shit like I'm pedophile creep walk under your bloodstream देख या कूने Bye. It's time to divide the corny versus hard rapper. ये easy work versus hard labor. Just imagine, आज मैं India और तू Pakistan. I'm reaching, treat this shit like post-independence day, bitch. It's time for partition. Time.
Hey yo. Hey yo! Really? He spat that round, I'm not stressing. He imagined me in pink thong, sari and jhumkas. Bro, to write this round you have to imagine me cross-dressing. Bro. Hey yo! Y'all know what rhymes with Kaze Kun? Hey Jhate sun. You're fired up without direction gaya kaam se tu. He lost every battle since the moment Ribia rhymed his name with Kand se Khoon. Chutiya hai ye. No Khan issues. He says hip hop ke liye jaan de do, but after this battle his friends will say jaan de tu. Kaze Kun, I came here to spit tere naam pe thu. Kaze Kun, shaam se tun, din mein land, raat mein bund, bro. to do? No? No? Liar. You all know what the first stage is? Denial. The next stage is fire. That bar gains on you after a while. I just showed you all stages of being happy. I'm not gonna call him gay. That's really your thing to say. You said Nanga Chodunga Pen Masterpiece ko. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh, bro. Feels so deep, no? Do you fall for every opponent from a steep slope? And you never intend that. It's the workings of a mystique force whose time has come. That's why you had to leave, bro. Should I tell him where you want to go? Should I say? He told Ribiakun his next destination was his anus. Now don't say I said travel, space cadet. Bro, you followed it up with a fuck that. So stop acting tough, man. You saw a panoramic view of his pow? And you like lady boys? My man. See. And you like lady boys? My man. See, there's nothing wrong with a little business trip to Thailand and getting what's really between the Thailand. Hey, no cap. For admitting that, hats off. You should go there and capitalize on what you do best. Bangkok. Hey. Subscribe to my body with this ghanta. Eat it for a salary. Tankha. But wordplays aside, y'all shouldn't give him any opponents under Atra. Because right after Ribia started looking like a chick male to him, he said, Kaze acho dega ye bacha. You not sacha, you not acha. You have a song dissing Urfi Javed for wearing a kacha. Kharja. You're not on the right path. That's something you can't see. You like that directionless Bollywood celeb jise Disha Patani. The world was a mirror maze from the start. You think all your opponents are gay because maybe that's what you are, man. But, so tell me, are you gay? No? Then prove it. Suck my dick without getting hard. Hey, bottom line, these are some things we can really do without. You have an option to swallow. Don't spit everything that comes in your mouth.
Nice.
Hey, you have an option to swallow. Don't spit everything that comes in your mouth. Do you know what battle rap is? Do you wonder, mate? It's to put your soul on display while being underpaid. No one comes to save those who want to stay.
What a line. Soul display by being underpaid. Nice. Sorry.
Is to put your soul on display while being underpaid. No one comes to save those who want to stay. Here fans love to spend and art form's the one to pay. That's why I came here to give him the technique like Sam Dam Danda Bhed, cause he thinks this shit is easy as rhyming it with 4-5 lund fake. Yo. When I break down his style, iska world Narnia hai. This bad man won't blow up like Dulhan ke Vidai ka waqt aa gaya hai. Hey, to be the hero, one has to know his mission, and no, you didn't. So tell me what you here for, Kaze. If you can't answer, you go to prison. 8 years in the game. You're no poet. You're no musician. How the fuck do you have so much juice but no nutrition? Hey, you're not sick. You're not sick. You pretending to be to skip school. You're not sick. You pretending to be to skip school for a leave. Beating you only cures the symptom. Making them cheer for it cures the disease. Hey, you can call me a hater. I will follow my path. At the core, EMF makes it move with a negative charge. Hey, so do you know what does a battle rapper stand for? Someone who doesn't drop rap songs. Whole week, act strong. Blew the mind when lyrics were read while being scared of saffron. I really need to ask y'all, because what are you, man? Look at you. If you had a father, he would beat your ass with a boogaloo. For the belt, you threw a punch without a setup. Those who actually listen to you are actually fed up. They used to sleep on you before I broke down your style. Well, now they get up. See, to follow my dreams of being the best. I had to say that I was more without saying you were less, because less is really more and more will give you stress. You started smoking to get higher than your intuition. He spammed the dopamine button, overused it. So much so, now the answers confuse him. But you really want to meet your higher self? I got a solution. Hey yo. Hey yo, this shit is something that I had to write. This guy talking about my 7 sins. You could only do that because you forgot about my wrath and pride. Hey yo.
खोइ क्राउड रियाक्सन बीचमै हुन्छ नि त्यो सिन्सको रिबटल दिदिरा
And और मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या बोलेगा? काजे कुन अनप्रोफेशनल है, अनएथिकल, कमाता नहीं कुछ, करियर इसका what did you say? Progress. The only time he makes song is when he smoke weed. Nothing sensational. Nothing sensational. काजे बिना कसवर्थ के गाना नहीं बनाता है. चाइला झाउला संबाटा. Time, that's round 2.
बढ़िया. Let's go. Ready? अभी आराम से. पूछा था. रुको. हम क्या करने आए पूछा था ना. Wait. I'm here to take his soul away ना. क्यों बोलने से? Check this yo हाँ. यमराज आया देख मित्र लोक, चरित्र साफ करने तेरा ये पवित्र फ्लो. यो I just read your look, तू हेटफुल आई दे रहा, छोड़ दूं तेरा चित्र गुप्त. हो जाएगा छोड़ो, बाद में वीडियो में. रुको ब्रो, फिर से शून्य से शुरू करते फिर से अच्छा से. Let's go. I'm high. रुको, I'm high. सुनो ना, I'm high like bird eye, reaching for the sky. So I'll spread my wings जब चाहे. In incognito mode, तुझे मार के हो जाओ गायब, तेरा क्राउन चक्रा जाए. ये विजन है third eye. And I can see that you live in denial. About this whole match. So thus, you bitches should know, Jay is only trying to hold us. No offense, I don't need no defense. They say I'm a heavenly messenger, so I'm gonna send. समाज के चक्रव्यूह से मैं बाहर, पर आज तू ये अशोक का चक्र देख मंत्र, ये चरण छू के अपने आप को स्पष्ट कर ले. या वस्त्र तेरा उतार दूं क्या मैं दिगंबर. गणितीय गंधा. Wait. गणितीय गंधा तुझे दू एक पंच जैसे 15. गणितीय गंधा तुझे दू एक 5 जैसे 15. ये ब्रह्म अस्त्र, I'll smoke you up like I'm Shankara. ये ब्रह्म अस्त्र, I'll smoke you up like I'm Shankara. देख विष्णु अवतारा, मेरे अंदर रामा कृष्णा जैसे मैं स्वामी विवेकानंदा. Self prophecy, so grown I'm past seasons.
Okay,
This sound frequency is what I'll frequently spell. See, you can telecast my dimension. And I can see that every single one of these beaches pictured in life in colors. But they don't know that color is a hellish division. Yin and yang, black and white, natural competition. But only when your mind is blinded, guided by the idea of deception. By the law, we are one, but you Autobots act like you lack transformation. But you Autobots act like you lack transformation. Are you listening? Le Renaissance, ye reasoning. This type of crazy bars will free you from your mental imprisonment. I'm reason, ye medulla lethal. Open your unconscious mind, पर यह subconscious होगा भीतर. Bitch, this space between us matters. क्योंकि काजे भूखा है, and it's time for the ether. Bitch, I live in chaos. I live in chaos. But I'm still smiling. While you live in order, thinking chaos is violence. Like it or not, ye jungly Arunachali style, I'm out wilding. Bitch, I'm the new wave, and you're an old faded silence. Bitch, I'm the new wave, and you're an old faded silence. I got broad perception, you narrow-minded. You can brag and boast about the Cloud9, but you plain bitches won't even realize that this sage here lives in mountains.
Cloud9 प्लेन अनि एउटा सादा प्लेन अनि माउन्टेन.
You plain bitches won't even realize that this sage here lives in mountains. Loud and clear, everything is here now and then. And this is Galatian. So a friendly battle is not what I'm romanticizing. Ruko. Mind bending her lime, her sublime, made divine. Mind bending her lime, her sublime, made divine. Bitch, mujhe chahiye space, as a matter of fact. Let's go.
Hey, yo, that Ramkrishna.
वान भन्दा चाहिँ बेटर थियो तर कस्तो डेलिभरी नै चित्त नबुझ्दो हुन्छ नि. कति रिचहरू बढी छ.
Nothing showed me that he has the vision, but overstep your boundary and one slap will send you straight to Ramkrishna mission. Hey yo, that Ramkrishna bar really showed me that he has the vision, but overstep your boundaries and one slap will send you straight to Ramkrishna mission. Hey yo, I'm in India's Japan. That is fun. Well, that's not racist. Isn't Arunachal India's land of the rising sun? Yeah? You fake anime fan? Fuck this shit. I lock down with my key until something hits. This is a broken record. This is a Destructo disc. But this is the moment Krillin dies and it gets me fired. He's no Super Saiyan. He likes to lie. This is the moment waves will rise. There's thunder lights in the sky. This is golden. My hairstyle about to change like episode 95.
Dragon Ball Z
Hey,
reference.
y'all seen the scene? Y'all seen the scene? I've turned into someone who can beat him easily. Talk down to Beerus and Broly while keeping my communication B2B. Funny how he works so hard for DBZ but never for a CTC. I'll change his sub into dub and now he's free to flee. Like the cops game. Like the cops game. He doesn't play it safe. He likes danger. But ask him what really happened and see this guy change up. He was arrested, taken to jail, guys. Straight up, he's telling, Mr. Popo took me to hyperbolic time chamber. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. You need time to practice. Your mind's in panic. You wish you had balls big enough.
चेम्बर अनि फेरि यहाँ प्र्याक्टिस.
You need time to practice. Your mind's in panic. You wish you had balls big enough to beat me. I got mines from Namek. Bro, I'm super KB Ooper. Like Sun, Goku, looking down on you like Dupar. Watch your life. Be so patient. You're about to die. There is no saving. The interest only rise if you miss the payment. So you're gonna take credits for settling a sale, Mr. Satan? He's no Super Saiyan. This dude's a craving. I turn him into food like Boo was playing. I turn him into a beaten down android. You'll need a maintenance. This ease you battle with, even Senzu Beans can't save him. Hey. In this beef, you will be a veg eater. In this beef, you will be a veg eater and you'll never be a Vijeta. He'll be will be a veg eater and you'll never be a Vijeta. He'll be beaten like a Pitega, an episode turns to cinema. To be the hero, you gotta give everything you got. You gotta be cream of the crop. That's why you know Super Saiyan. Cause that power comes in response to a need, not a want. I believe I was born to be unrivaled in all skies. Attack me with a long knife. Like
भिडियो गएर जस्ट अडियो मात्र हो
I believe I was born to be unrivaled in all skies. Attack me with a long knife. Like Goku versus Future Trunks, I bring a finger to a sword fight. I got the power of a Nika. Like Goku versus Future Trunks, I bring a finger to a sword fight. I got the power of a Nika fruit and I'm a chonin with the Bankai. I swear on Naruto, you can't beat the pain unless it's talking to you though. You can't shoot it with a finger made piece like Yu Yu Hakusho. To jump, hey. To jump the spirit gun is dumb, right? If you want it, come try. I will show you I am L after you face it on the front line. Hey. End quote with a pen stroke. You know how I know I won't die? I wrote my own name on the first page of a death note. Hey, you all don't believe me?
animated films.
Hey, yo, I wrote my own name on the first page of a death note. But, you all know how I know this is his end though? You all know how I know this is his end though? Let's go!
के लेखेको काजे कुन का कुन
Hey yo! I don't need to repeat myself 12 times like you do while rapping. Sometimes I don't even need to move my mouth like when Mewtwo is talking. So, Kaze-kun, your goal,
Pokemon.
Mal. That's why I'll beat you with the Tushar Kapoor. Hey yo! Hey yo! Oranai! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey, Laro Khalo Maya yo! That's time, that's round 3. Let's go.
त्यसलाई नै हाल्छ होला नेपाली कुनै अफकोर्स हानिहाल्छ नि सिगरेट त आइहाल्छ सो त्यति थियो अफकोर्स म हेर्दिनँ ल काजीकुनको मलाई एकदमै झ्याउला इएमएफले जस्ट जित्यो अब त्यही हो लास्टमा अक्टोबर 18 कुरुक्षेत्र नेपाल भर्सेस इन्डिया मेरो र कोड इएमएफ र इतिस अनि सिजी र कोइन चाहिँ 11 बजेदेखि बेट हाउस थमेल लेट्स गो